All right, we got Brother Paul.
Sporting the Seattle hat because it's National Championship Day. Go Huskies.
Go Huskies.
I'm a Ducks fan, but don't tell my Oregon friends because they wouldn't like that. But I was only in Eugene for a couple years, so I'm rooting for the Huskies.
All right, and you're going to be filming with a Google Pixel 7 today. Bare Bones Kitchen. And what we're doing today, savory pot roast. Yeah, in the crock pot. So we got big old hunks of meat, beef chuck roast, very marbleized. Got a whole garlic clove. We're gonna do a half an onion. We got some serranos, 5 of them. Some Hatch Rotel tomatoes. Got some carrots. Some potatoes. Did we say mushrooms yet? No, sir. We got some mushrooms. And a little beef bouillon. So we're going to start out, we're going to cut up the garlic and onions first. And we're going to do things a little different too with this. I'm not going to cut everything up really small. I'm going to leave things in some big chunks. And we're just going to cook it forever until it softens up. But the onions and the garlic we'll chop up. You'll see how this goes. Now.
See the technique, how he cuts the onion. It's masterful. He's so good with that knife. He must be really good with his hands. Fascinating. I can imagine his fingers are practiced and experienced. I hear he plays a good guitar.
So we got the 1 can of Rotel. That's going in. Put these in whole. Actually, we're just going to get those in half once. Carrots here. Look at that one. It's crazy carrot.
perfume and the note she left behind, written in the blood and the cooking line. Every song line, you know.
All right, so it's day 2 now. We'll take a look. This is what we got. Remember all the big chunks? Now it's just broken down. It's soft. It's tasty. Smells delicious. Smells delicious. So we're gonna throw some bread in and then we're gonna get into this. We're gonna just wrap this bread up in the aluminum foil and get it in the oven. Just enough to toast her up a little bit. Because there's nothing like having some garlic bread with your stew. That smells delicious too. At 420 as usual. No, yeah, 420 as usual. 420. Hopefully.
You are the best thing I never had. Doctor, doctor, come and move on when you can.
Let's dish it up.
All shared by all of us who receive them. Like, that's what it's gotta be. If you a reflection of me, then that's what it is. That's why in the book it say, made in God's image. It don't mean you're always gonna do that, but it means there's a possibility that you can mirror that.
Let's give this a shot, huh? Yeah.
I'm an empty minister. I have no chief at this point. I glory and hallelujah. No, everybody's wrong. Yeah, I got grandbabies. All girls. So you know, it's all right.
Just melts in your mouth.
Okay, so I have a
Carrots are nice and soft.
2 forward.
Mushroom. Potatoes are soft.
And 2.
Very good. Let's thank Brother Paul
You're welcome.
for filming it.
Thank you for making it.
And let's get down to some eating. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We really appreciate it. We appreciate you watching this. If you've gotten this far, if you could go ahead and subscribe, we'd really appreciate that. And give us a like. Remember, you do you. I'll do me.
I appreciate
Peace out.
you.